Hi, this is Jason Penrose with the Penrose Team at eXp Realty. Thank you for tuning into Jason Penrose TV. Today we're going to talk about AI and real estate. That's right, AI is the buzzword, and how it applies to real estate, how it can help, and some cautions. Stay tuned. Thanks again for tuning into Jason Penrose TV. So today we're talking about AI and real estate. You don't have to look far for the conversation to be all about AI, how it's taking over industries, it's changing things, how the world's going to change over the next 5-10 years. And it is starting to affect real estate as well. You can ask a lot of real estate questions of AI and in many cases get some great answers. You can work out a mortgage payment on a house through AI, right? You can actually do research on neighborhoods through AI. You can actually see, hey, what's my rate of return on my home and how does it compare to the national average? You can ask questions like that. Really, the power of AI is in the power of the question, in my experience. The better the question you ask, the better answer you can receive. That being said, caution. I've seen some responses from AI and I look at the facts and I kind of do a little research and realize that some of the answers are not accurate, right? So be very, very careful whatever AI you're using, that you kind of maybe do a little more research, be a little skeptical, and make sure that the questions you ask are really directed and pointed and well thought out, because I've realized that the response you get from AI, a lot of it depends on the question you put in. Also, something to keep in mind, some paid AI services allow you to set up what I call projects, where you can actually program them to do certain things for you and to use the same model every time you ask a question, and it kind of self-learns. So there's some great things about AI in real estate. I think it can help a lot, especially if you're thinking about building out a real estate portfolio and rate of returns and cap rates and how does that look 10, 15 years from now, giving historic averages. If you want to learn how to use AI with real estate, you want to have that discussion, feel free to give me a call. Make sure to share this video with friends or family. My number is 602-738-9943. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Make it a great day.